Welcome back. Today we are going to Tensai Tuning, who specialize in JDM cars such as Evos, WRX and GTRs. Oh, I am so excited. Containing my excitement. It's currently 41 degrees. Caught an Uber here, but I got let out a bit early. Told him to let me out early so I can make this intro, because I didn't have time to make an intro because I just got a fresh cut. This car reminds me of the beginning of Gone in 60 Seconds. Love this. Okay, we just arrived. Let me talk to them so I don't walk in with a camera in their face. Let's go check out some awesome cars.
2.2 engine, big bore, sleeved, AMS turbo kit, Motec M150.
Beautiful. No, so clean.
Motec M150.
With turbo.
AMS turbo kit, I think it's the best for the Evo 10. It's a 2.2 big bore with all the supporting mode, of course, injector fuel system, intercooler piping, mostly AMS.
AMS is from United States.
Yes.
Yeah.
They built very high quality parts for the Evo because they design, they make moldings, they cast. So their turbo kit is cast, which is, it will live forever. See, it's a cast stainless steel.
Yeah, because the thing with the Evos is that when the rain comes through the hood, it rusts up the bolts.
Yeah, so many things here. The OEM manifold used to crack.
This is beautiful, man.
This is from Lebanon, customer from Lebanon.
Lebanon. Wow. My Vec Evo 9. Billet block. Oh wow. Look at that carbon in.
Injectors.
Wow.
By wire.
Motec, of course.
Motec, Tensai.
Awesome. Wow. This one, even the struts, the suspension, external gas struts. Wow. This is this is beautiful.
This is another prototype we're working on in Jordan. This is called custom made Tensai manifold of this model.
Oh, so you make the manifolds here?
Yeah.
That's a work of art. Maybe I was gonna put it on my wall in my living room. Hey, Nam?
This is for Africa custom. Right hand side.
Oh, it's right-hand drive. All right. Did I see that? Yeah. I can see the case in the driver's seat. That's awesome. Hey there. This is gorgeous, this thing. Like, hey, the spoiler, manufacturing or like aftermarket? I've never seen it before. It looks beautiful. It's gorgeous, man. So this is the fastest Evo 10 half mile in the world?
Yeah, one of them.
One of them in the world. Do you mind if we look underneath the... it looks, it doesn't look,
This is the,
oh,
look at the tool.
that's massive. That's massive. Oh, left-hand drive.
Original.
Oh,
JDM. This is a full project. We just done it now. We're still working on a still paint job, something.
oh wow. Smaller, that is clean. Is that the standard intake manifold?
Yes.
So you put like a little extension bracket on it?
For the drive-by
For the
wire,
drive-
because there's no space for it.
It won't fit. That's, oh, that's smart, man. That's really smart.
Also fuel cooler.
No?
Fuel cooler through the AC.
A fuel cooler
It's through the AC.
through the AC.
And it's robotic also.
These are crazy here, man.
Yeah.
A fuel cooler. So how would that work?
When the AC is on, it cools the fuel. The freezing pipe of the AC
Yeah.
cools the fuel. The
So you
fuel
just-
runs through it.
Cut, add.
Yeah. Additional, the fuel goes through it.
Oh wow. That's crazy.
This is also properly done with the whole interior with carbon fiber stuff. It's not, there's no compromise in this one.
Wallah معلم, I don't think there's any compromise on any of your vehicles. It's absolutely wonderful.
This is the dash of it.
Ah, okay, yeah. Wow, look at the carbon.
Doing the full harness with PDM and everything for it.
Oh, look at all the stuff in the back. Wallah, you don't see this every day, man. This is nice.
Sleeper. Kind of.
يعني, if anyone heard it, it's not a sleeper. Careful of island. Like even the tires are massive. What suspension do you want? Stop.
There is falling for this.
That's beautiful.
There is falling for this.
That workshop is insane. The work they do and the level of quality is out of this world. M5? I'm not too sure. What's this in the back? Man, that is a great workshop. Honestly, the owner, Fadi, absolute gentleman, and the head mechanic was showing me around, talking me through each car. Even the showroom's amazing, man. What an absolutely lovely place to be. I didn't want to stick around too long because they've got work to do, and I don't want to be that guy that just comes waving a camera in everyone's face, because this is my first time technically going to a workshop and doing this sort of type of walk around. That Evo 10 in the showroom, that color is amazing, man. The blue Evo 9 that I was frothing over had a billet block, 1000 horsepower. Serious cars here, some serious cars, and absolutely lovely people, bro. Absolute gentlemen. Just got back home, back in the aircon, just about to transfer the videos from the GoPro onto the laptop so I can begin editing. That workshop was sick. That was such a clean, beautiful workshop, and all their work is meticulous. Like, far out, that blue Evo, man, everything about it was perfect. Like, that's goals. That car is goals. The white R35 GTR that had that spoiler on it, the aftermarket spoiler, man, they just sit so fat, bro. What I gathered from that workshop is they are big on Motec. So when it comes to engine management systems, Motec is their go-to. They do sell Link as well, but preferably they put Motec in all their cars. And speaking from experience, having a Motec in my own car, bro, you can't go past that computer. in my personal opinion. I'll show you guys the list. This is the list of all the places I want to go visit. We've knocked off one. We've done a 1 track day. There's heaps of other workshops and showrooms I want to go to, but I really wanted to start this series off with a JDM workshop, because we are JDM at heart. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Special shout out to Cis and Bopito. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.